Outside Dover Castle, in a town in Kent somewhere I can't remember the name of, I spotted this dying tree with a strange little orange fella attached to it. They call it the Shaggy Bracket Fungi. Found mostly on the trunks of broadleaf trees such as the ash and apple, the shaggy bracket is known more for its shaggy texture rather than its mystery-solving capabilities. But the mystery of the dead tree is quite an easy one to solve, as the shaggy bracket breaks down and digests the lignin, the stuff that keeps the tree up, making any tree with this fungi on it not the best hiding spot in a windy storm. It's quite common in England, not so much in the rest of the UK, and can be found in mid to late summer, and will usually rot away and turn black and be gone by the late autumn. This bracket fungi can be identified by its trademark shaggy texture as a rusty red to yellow colour in concentric zones, and starts with a broad round margin that thins as it matures, and it can grow to up to 30 centimetres wide when fully grown. Now the pores, these holes that you see on the underside of the fungi, are where the spore comes out to create more, and they're a creamy colour but turn brown as it ages, and can sometimes ooze out this strange red juice. Ugh. Now, as delicious as that may sound, this fungi is not edible, so please don't put it in your mouth. And that goes for anything else that's strange and oozy, at least until you've got to know them.